Selling patients on lens options that are aesthetically pleasing for them should be a tangible experience. In this example here, I made a pair of glasses that's a -5. One lens is 1.67 high index and the other CR39. Also, one lens has premium anti-reflective and the other lens has no AR. You want to give patients a feeling of a fear of missing out. Let them decide for themselves if they would miss having one of those options that'll really be beneficial to them. Don't show patients some lens mat or brochure showing what anti-reflective looks like or what a thin lens looks like. That is not realistic. Just imagine you would go buying a big truck, a V8 engine, lots of horsepower, and they just talked about it. No, you want to feel the adrenaline rush. Selling patients on these lens options should not take more than 1 to 2 minutes. Patients will be very attentive and listen during this process. Don't be afraid if they're quiet. Also, make sure to model it for them. Put the pair of glasses on and show them exactly what you're talking about. You'll be surprised how quickly they say, yes, I want both those options, put them on my bill.